How to increase ringtone time on Android phone. So if you want to increase the ringtone time on your Android phone, then what you need to do is, I'll just show you some codes. So simply open up your dialer. Once you open up your dialer, now what you need to do is you need to dial star star 61 and then star, and then you need to enter the voicemail number. So for example, my voicemail number is 101, and then dial star star again, and you need to enter the seconds. So if you want to increase the ringtone time to 30 seconds, then you need to enter 30 and then dial hash, and you need to go for call. So if you go for your search engines, then here also you will have the same option. It says you need to open up your phone app and then go for keypad and type star star 61 star your voicemail phone number, and then star star and your seconds hash on your keypad. So this code will allow you to set how long your phone rings before it goes to your voicemail. So the 00 in that case is replaced with the number of seconds that you want on your phone to ring. So if you enter this code, then you will increase ringtone time on Android phone. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.